Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the iMovie to edit your videos. So here we go. So first of all we need to open the iMovie. Okay, so just search your iMovie and we have this iMovie done. Now you can see we have the option of like projects and media, right? So click on the projects and now click on that plus icon, create new, and click on movie. You can see two options, movie and trailer, so make sure click on the movie. Done. Now we have this dashboard. Now I need to drag and drop my video here. Okay, so you can click on the import media like this here, or you can just simply drag and drop any video. So I'm gonna just try this video. Let's drag and drop it here. Done. So now here we have multiple options. Like you can see this is the video, right? So you can see in the top you can see the crop option, so you can crop it according to your requirement. Suppose I want to just crop it like this one till this one and just check it. That's fantastic. Now you can see you have the option of audio, so you can just make sure audio is 0 or make it 400, so you can increase the audio, right? There are a lot more options like color combinations of this. So suppose let's click on this. You can see you can change the color of your video like this. Wow, it's look more amazing. Cool. Now these are the basics, but now how can I edit it simply? So first basic is like how can I cut it? So use the command B. Use the command B to cut this like this. Go to here and just select this and use command B like this. Now select any clip and just click on delete button to delete this. Or you can use the command Z to undo this. Okay. Now I want to add some title or something. So you can see the title option. Just drag and drop that title here like this and just change hello like this. You can change, like you can't change the position of that hello, okay? So but you can use, you can see the lower one is this one. Try this for the lower one. You can try the middle one, center one like this. So how you can add this text, like okay, now I want to add some animations. So how can I do this? You can see, go scroll down, you can see a lot of animations are there. Text animation like this. Once you open, it's like the animation look like this. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna just tell you one more thing is that you can see here's an option of this one. Okay, now this option is increase the voice, or that can enhance your voice. So click on the flat, you can see the bass boost, click on it. Now your voice is enhanced using this option. This is really fantastic option. Now you can see you have the option of speed. Suppose you want to increase the speed of your video. So you can see the 4.7 second video. So I'm going to just make it normal to fast. You can see 2. Now the video is 2.3 seconds, or you can make it 4 times faster like this. Cool. So these are the basic settings of iMovie. Now I want to export the audio only, suppose. So click on the export option, click on export file. You can see you have an option of like a format. So you can select the audio only and select MP3. So you have the audio only of your video. But if you want to make a video and audio both, so you need to select the video and audio like this. You can select the resolution like 4K, 540, 720 like this, and click on that next and just make it save. That's it. Now you can see this is the process, and that will take some seconds or some minutes according to video length. And once it's done, you can just open it. Like, let me just see this, how this will work. You can see our video is ready like this. Cool. So this is the easiest way to edit any videos in iMovie. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.